What if I told you that you could make money in just a couple of seconds work? I was at first too skeptical as well, but as you know, I am confident in my strategies. And with this new method, we'll be able to make a decent amount of money every few seconds. Take a look at these online profits, for example. This one, and this one. Nice looking income stats, right? The best thing is that they offer a number of different payment options. You have the option of making a bank transfer or using one of the various payment systems. Yeah, you're free to enjoy and earn off of this platform. As a result, for individuals who are just getting started, this will be an excellent opportunity to earn some extra cash to help support their families and even their lifestyle. This opportunity is terrific for us since, in addition to being simple, it can be repeated as often as desired. It also doesn't require any investment, no affiliate marketing, no social media following or engagements, and it doesn't require any YouTube videos. It's simply a straightforward step-by-step technique for making money online every day.
But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
5squid.com is the platform that I'll be showcasing today. Before we get into the platform itself, I'd like to encourage you to stick with me all the way to the end of the video. Why? Because I'll be providing free money-making tips for you to maximize the strategy or just money-making in general, as well as examples of how to implement this method to make money on a consistent basis. So if you don't want to miss out, stick around till the end of the video. This site is used by people to buy, sell, and request services for a specified price. As we progress down the website, you'll notice that a variety of people offer a range of services. However, don't worry, you won't be creating any films, graphic, or content to use this strategy because I want it to be as simple as possible for you so that I can help you earn money online quickly. With that, I'll show you this done-for-you method today, which is free for everyone and available anywhere in the world. With this done-for-you strategy, you'll be able to make money with a tap of a finger. Sounds easy, right? Because it is. You'll be paid quickly via PayPal or any other payment method you choose. Going back to 5squid, I'd like you to click on these three lines, which are located next to the search bar. This is the categories bar, where you'll discover a variety of various categories where you can earn money. But today I'm going to show you a new keyword that has never been discussed before, and it's called Your Message On. This is a brand new keyword offered by 5squid where you can make money without doing any effort by using this method, without supplying graphics, videos, or any other creative medium, without selling, and most importantly, without using an affiliate link. After clicking on Your Message On, you'll get a list of services from across the world as seen here. It's incredible to see so many people from many nations providing their services. Again, you can see the services, but more importantly, we can see that they're always making money, which is exactly what we want.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video.
Now I'll show you an example from the service provider that you may trust. To proceed, click the service right here to be directed to this page where you can see the service provider's profile as well as the service that he or she wishes to deliver. Most of these companies will pay up to this amount, but after deducting the processing fee, you should be able to take home a reasonable sum. Essentially, this service will assist you in inserting any text you desire into that template. This is an excellent service that many people are enjoying. Let's go to headameal.com and search for these keywords. You will be able to market your service under the Your Message On category on this website. You will now see Einstein's chalkboard right here. You'll be able to change and edit what's written on the chalkboard using this platform, and that's what you'll sell on 5squid. Let me demonstrate how to do it with an example. As you can see, the large box with the texts below the words Dynamic Einstein Picture may now be modified and changed to whatever you wish. Let's say I type in, "My channel is great, subscribe right now." Now inputting that, click this button to update the image, and you're done. It was able to change what was written on the board in a matter of seconds. Now that was the done-for-you, no-hassle service. You can sell this service at 5squid by just changing or editing the words to suit the customer's needs. People overlook this service since it is so simple to implement, but as you can see, Your Message On services are in high demand and are selling extremely well. This is a fantastic chance for beginners because once again, no technical creativity or skills are required. Simply use the Headamill platform and change the wording to suit your client's needs. To save the altered photo, simply look for the snipping tool on your computer, snip the image, and save it. For phone users, simply take a snapshot of the new image and send it to your computer. Isn't it quite the fantastic and enjoyable method? In addition to Einstein, you can use these two characters, Uncle Sam and Quaker. Now for the sake of the video, I'll show you how to change Uncle Sam's image. As you can see, you may change the bottom text to whatever you like, exactly like in the Einstein illustration. A new image will load almost instantly when you click the change button in just a few seconds. Similarly, selecting Quaker will lead you to a page where you may edit and update the image's text. You must first register with 5Squid in order to market your service. To do so, simply click the Join button below and give them the necessary information to create your account. And because I'm feeling generous today, I'm going to recommend another platform where you can offer Headamill.com's done-for-you services, and that platform is Fiverr.com. Fiverr is similar to 5Squid in that it allows users to sell services to people who are looking for them. I'd like you to look for Einstein Your Message On in this section. As you can see, just a few people have attempted to market this service, despite the fact that a large number of people enjoy it and use it. As a result, you should provide this service to both of these sites in order to maximize your earning potential and earn double as much money. As you can see, this person has a large number of reviews, indicating that a large number of individuals have used their services. It's straightforward and pleasurable, right? With minimal work on your side, you'll be able to earn decent amounts of money in a matter of seconds. To be clear though, this method is absolutely free, accessible from anywhere around the globe, and it comes with no strings attached. Simply go to Headamill.com and change a few words to reflect the client's specifications. And voila! Money.
And that's it. This has been Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.